Today we're touring one of the most exciting new builds in Goodyear, Arizona. If you're looking for new build homes, large lots, and lots of growth in the community, then you want to stay for this one. Right now we're at Abel Ranch community by Tri Pointe Homes. This community is brand new to Goodyear, Arizona, and they feature large lot size for single level homes, which is rare to find in these new communities nowadays. What I really like about this community is the layout. There are large lot sizes, it's modern builds, and it really emphasizes on the outdoor environments because you have lots of parks in this area. You've got pickleball courts, basketball courts, grill stations. So it's a beautiful time to be into this area because it's growing quickly. I'm standing in the closet right now, and this is a giant closet. There's plenty of room for additional storage if you need. So if you need to put additional storage, you can put some dressers here in the middle, you know, for jewelry, for undergarments, etc. Or you can actually build up. This is gorgeous. Yeah, this place is huge. Just to give you an idea of how beautiful this lot size is, this is a single story home, and I'm in the backyard, pool's gorgeous, and they still have lots of room back here to utilize for more landscaping or additional decks. And they're one of the largest in this community. So this is absolutely a stunning home for those that want to entertain, those that like to bring people together or just enjoy on their own. Kind of just want to jump in the pool. Oops.